Hi viewers, today we have an exciting practical demonstration. We will be soldering various components onto a PCB using a PCB soldering holder and a soldering iron, which was showed you in previous video. In this video, I will give you a hands-on look at the PCB soldering process by using these two tools. Let's get started. Let's start by setting up the PCB soldering holder. This holder will keep our PCB stable during soldering. We will secure the PCB and component in place for a sturdy and hands-free soldering experience. With our PCB holder ready, it is the time to get started the PCB soldering. This practical demonstration will include the soldering of MCU, As you observed, initially temperature of soldering iron was at maximum level and the soldering our MCU was bit difficult, whereas after setting up the temperature around 300 degrees Celsius, then the soldering became easy with quality as clearly visible. Soldering of resistors. As you can see, I'm using all these resistors in a combined connection similar like array, which can save the space on the PCB. soldering of LEDs which are at the input side for indication purpose to show the switching status. And the optocoupler which is for isolation purpose between low and high power. We will walk you through the soldering process step by step, sharing tips and tricks to achieve clean and reliable connections. Once all the components are soldered in place, it is the time to test the connections for continuity and quality. We will use a multimeter to ensure that our soldered joints are electrically sound. As you can observe, we have tested all the connections. We have learned how to use a PCB soldering holder and a soldering iron to solder components onto a PCB. In the upcoming part, we will complete the assembly of this PCB, which is for one of my automation project. After completion of this PCB soldering, I will power up this circuit and will show all of you its operation. As always, if you have any comments or thoughts, you can write down in the below comment section. And if you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay creative and I will see you next time.